So it is 11:56 Wednesday, August 19, 2020, about 4 minutes shy of midnight. I just retightened the last lock in my hair. It's been a long few days, but it's finally done. I'm about to go to sleep, but stay tuned for the big reveal and the special announcement coming up. Welcome to the LaZy Loc'D channel. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. And if you're a returning subscriber, as always, thank you for your subscription and welcome back. If you are new here, then you should know I've been Sister Lock'd now for 4 years. I established my Sister Lock'S 4 years ago, back in 2016. The main thing on this channel was me going on this long journey without retightening my hair. So as of yesterday, I haven't retightened my hair for 1 full year. And I'm proud to say that I'm here celebrating the completion of my retie. I finally retightened my hair. It's finally done. It's finally completed. All of you that are subscribers and are day one subscribers, you already know that this has been a journey in itself, with me maintaining my hair after going so long without it being retightened. So I'm here today with my balloons. I'm here with everything that I need. I got my little bubbles. I'm celebrating because I am so excited and so happy about this accomplishment. If you was watching my video series, I was also saying that I had a special announcement coming up. So that's coming up shortly. We got a lot of ground to cover. But before we do that, I definitely want to take in this whole experience. So I got here, what is this? I got some sparkling rosé, non-alcoholic. It's Welch's grape juice. But we're gonna make a toast because this was a journey. And you know, when you are in a situation where you have to make certain types of choices and decisions in advancing certain things in your life, when you do complete those challenges, you want to make sure that you celebrate those moments. We already know that nothing is promised, and you want to take time to appreciate and congratulate yourself for those little milestones. On this channel, I've been talking about locks, but besides locks, we all are human beings. We all struggle with our own different insecurities and goals that we want to obtain in life. So whether you're locked or not, I'm celebrating my milestone and retightening my hair. But wherever you are in life, whatever little thing that you've accomplished that you're excited about, make sure you get excited about it and celebrate those little moments with whatever makes you happy. I saw this at the grocery store. I thought it was so cute. So I was like, you know what? I'm about to buy me some balloons. I'm gonna pour me up something and I'm gonna celebrate. And I'm gonna celebrate right here on camera with you all. So just give me a moment while I open this and then we're gonna pour up. All right, so I got it open. We're not doing no fuzzy business here. We're just doing a simple opening. And I'm about to pour me up a little glass. And you know what? Because this channel's been so good to me, I'm gonna pour you up a glass as well. So we're gonna have a little toast because this is a very good celebratory moment. And like I said, when you have moments like this, definitely make sure that you celebrate those moments. I don't care how small they are because you did it. You know, you made an accomplishment, and you, out of all people, should pat yourself on the back because sometimes other people won't do it, and you shouldn't look to other people to do that. You know, look to yourself. Make sure you give yourself a nice pat on the back like I did that. And here we're gonna make a toast, okay? So, toast to all of us who have accomplished anything. Toast to all of you out there who is watching this channel right now. Also, special toast to all the do-it-yourself micro-lockers out there, to the Sister Lock consultants, because during this retie process, I've gained a true appreciation for all of you. If you're watching this video, you're somebody special, and let's get to it. Toast. Now that's some good grape juice, okay? Let me just take a sip.
Took a little sip on.
I hope you enjoyed your little glass of rosé, Welch's rosé. So before I go into my hair and showing you and going in, doing my little spin around and talking about my retightening, I did say that I had a special announcement. I kept on harping on it. So let me get that out the way first. So this is the special announcement. I'm doing my first ever contest giveaway on this channel. So I'm very excited about this because I feel like it's just the perfect time for me to do it. Since I've been on my sister lock journey, I've been constantly getting the question on how many locks do you have? Oh my gosh, you have so many locks. That's a lot of hair. How many locks do you have? How long does it take? How many locks do you have? Oh, it should take forever to come out. How many locks do you have? How many locks? Honestly, I never answered that question because I don't know. I don't know how many locks I have in my head. I never attempted to count them. My loctician never counted them. So I don't know, but I'm ready to find out, and I'm ready to find out with all of you as well. So here's how this contest is gonna work. You have to guess how many locks I have, and the person who comes closest to the number wins, okay? That's pretty much the simplicity of the contest giveaway. There's gonna be some more stricter rules that I'm gonna put in the description box, so make sure you do read it, but I'm just gonna go over those preliminaries right now while I'm here with you. First things first is you do need to be a subscriber to the channel. Second thing you have to do is you have to comment down below in this video. Comment down below in this video how many locks you think I have, and next to your number I want you to put either Amazon, Etsy, or Visa, MasterCard gift card. Lastly, you want to make sure that you do all of this within the 7 days that I've uploaded this video. I'm only running this contest for 7 days, okay? 7 days to give enough people a chance to get to the channel, to look at it, subscribers to actually view the video. Once the 7 days is up, I'm going to temporarily disable comments on this video, so you won't be able to put in any submission, you won't be able to put in your number. If you're watching this video after the 7-day mark, unfortunately you'll just have to wait until the next giveaway comes around. But it's cool because I'm gonna be running a lot of future other mini giveaways and stuff like that down the line. So just make sure you still subscribe and you turn on your bell notifications so you get those notifications on those giveaways. So I know what you're wondering, okay, this is cool, I got the rules of the contest, what's the prize? So the prize is gonna be a $25, actually, you know what? We're gonna up it. I'm gonna make the prize a $50 either Amazon gift card, Etsy gift card, or Visa, MasterCard gift card, all right? But it gets even sweeter because I'm so excited about me finally getting this done on my hair. I'm gonna add a little kicker, okay? If for whatever reason you are a psychic and you are able to predict the exact number of locks I have in my hair, I am going to double that amount. Yes, so you possibly have a chance to win a $100 value gift card, either with Amazon, Etsy, or Visa or MasterCard gift card, all right? All you gotta do is comment down below, put whether you want an Amazon gift card, Etsy gift card, or Visa, MasterCard gift card. And if you're really, really good and you guess the number on the nose, I'm going to double that up for you, and you will have a $100 value gift prize. And you could, you know, mix it up. You don't only have to have everything be Amazon, Etsy, or Visa, MasterCard. You can mix and match it up, but that's if you win, okay? I just want to show my appreciation and do something fun for the channel. So make sure you go in and you put your guesses down below, and may the odds be forever in your favor. All right, now that we got all of that out the way, let's talk about this hair. Oh my goodness. So going through this retie process, it was a lot of work to get my hair retied. Even though I took my time with it, going through the process was just a journey on its own. And there was many of times when I was retightening and going through, and I was just thinking to myself, oh my goodness, like, do I even want to continue with this journey? Because it was just so challenging. I'm gonna go and give you all the 360 in a little bit, but I isolated some locks that caused me some issues or that I had a concern about. So let's talk about the issues that I came across and my whole retightening process. Some of the problems that I ran across while I was retightening my hair, definitely the separating of my locks. I tried to separate my locks between reties, but for some reason this separating session was crazy. Like, I felt like I was literally going through the jungle with a machete trying to, like, you know, chop my way through and make a path, because I had so much matting. It didn't look as bad on camera, but once I was really going in and starting my retie process, that's when I noticed that I had a lot more work that I needed to do. Did I lose any locks? I did. I lost 5 locks. So I lost 1 lock in the back half of my head, and I lost 3 locks in the front. These are my locks that I lost. But yeah, I lost 5 locks. I lost 5 locks, and then I officially combined 3 locks. So I lost 5 locks and I had to combine 3 locks. And also I found some interesting stuff with my hair. I came across 1 lock that is severely shedded, that is really hanging on by like strands of hair, and then I found and discovered a butterfly lock. Let me show you all what I'm talking about. So right now I just have my hair in an up down situation. I'm gonna take it down so I can show you all. This is how my hair is looking. I completed my retie, and these are the locks that I'm going to be showing you all. Let me take off these earrings too, because I don't want them to snag on any of my locks. Take this off. So this lock right here was, or is, the lock that I discovered. I was like, what is this? And I just call it a butterfly lock. Look at that. Like, I know there's like this trend on YouTube now with butterfly locks. I guess the goal of it is to like have this and create this distressed look on your locks. So it's like you're supposed to have like little pieces sticking out on the side. This is exactly what this lock looks like. Now, technically, I think this would be called, is it bunching? I think this would be called bunching. I think this is what this is, bunching. But I just thought it was interesting to show you all. I'm probably going to combine this lock because sooner or later it's going to get, it's going to weigh down. It's going to weigh down. So this more than likely is going to be combined. So this lock right here, I'm like, whoo, this is definitely going to be a combined lock. Look at this lock. It's like all of this, which was pretty much my new growth, and then the rest of my lock. Which is why I would say that retightening and staying on a retie schedule is really important, because your new hair obviously that grows out is your virgin hair, and once you interlock it, it's going to be a lot softer and have a different texture than your locks that have already had a chance to mat. So this lock right here, yeah, I'm gonna have to combine that. You know, I would have let it go on its own, but it's thin, and even the base, well, actually, now that I feel the base, I'll probably be able to just snip it from here and allow it to grow out. I think that would be the best bet, because the base is not, the base doesn't feel thin. It has a good base. Okay, so this is the lock that is hanging on by a thread, and as you can see, it's bad. And this is not even the other lock. Like, this is another shedded lock, but this one is worse. I was contemplating on just combining it last night when I was retightening, but I'm like, I'm gonna go on camera and just show what it looks like. Completely hanging on by a thread. This is definitely gonna be combined, and it's gonna be combined to this lock. That's why I taped it together. But those were like the main 3 big things that I saw with my locks. So the 1 lock that's shedded, this lock that is hanging on by, I would say, like 5 strands of hair, it has to get combined. And then my butterfly lock that ironically just came out of nowhere. So those were pretty much the most interesting things I saw in my retie process. Here is my hair. Let me do a 360. My hair is tight and it's a lot of hair, so you probably didn't get to see my grid action going on, but everything is retightened from my forehead all the way down to my nape. This side, as y'all know, is my thinner side. I usually use lace front glue to maintain the integrity of those locks, but I decided to go in this time and actually use my interlocking tool and interlock it. This side, usually never a problem. As you can see, it's more full. It's more full than my thin side. But I went in and I retouched all of everything. Like, everything is retouched. Just to wrap this up, the retie process, it was difficult, but nothing that couldn't be done. I definitely would do it again. I feel like it's very liberating when you have the ability to retie your hair. And because, again, the situation, the way the world is now, it's hard to get a loctician. It really is. Appointments is booked. You know, people's not really feeling comfortable with having clients come to their homes, and I could understand that completely. So I definitely want to make it a habit to do my own hair. What I will say though is I'm going to stay on a schedule. I don't see myself letting it get this bad. Hopefully it doesn't get this bad again, but I'm going to kind of hold myself accountable to make sure that I at least check in on my hair more often and not just be lazy with my hair and just letting it really just do its thing, because your hair will do its thing if you leave it alone, but you do, especially when you have smaller locks, have to take into consideration your maintenance and make sure you stay on your maintenance schedule so you don't have issues like, you know, locks that's thinning like this, you know what I mean? So that's pretty much it for this video. A little lengthy, but you know, we got all the details out. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and remember to comment down below how many locks you think I have. You have 7 days to put your submissions in. After 7 days, there will be no more comments allowed temporarily until I actually go through and see who's the winner. And also the winner will be announced on my actual Count My Locks video. I'm gonna make a whole video just on that, so we're gonna finally see how many locks I have. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you to my day one subscribers. We've come to the end of the road of this self-retightening journey, but don't worry, more content, more giveaways, more fun stuff down the road. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm gonna finish my grape juice. Take care, be safe, and I'll see you all in the next video.